When I was a freshman, I came in here undeclared, and so I literally had no idea what I was going to do or what direction I wanted to go down.
Just being in there, I kind of felt like I had found my calling, and that was in ethnic studies, particularly women's studies.
I think that a lot of students come into college with these ideas that we live in a post-racial society, that racism is dead and it's a non-issue. And I think it's so important to learn about the history of racism in this country and the foundational aspects as well as the systemic aspects.
It's the first thing that I really related to. It just covered all the issues that I'm like, I want to learn more about this. I want to fight for those issues.
Studying ethnic studies is about everyone. It's about all of us. And it's how we interrelate with one another and how we either support each other or subjugate each other. And it's important to learn to be a good human.
A lot of my introductory courses here were really instrumental in helping me understand myself and my place in the world and the systems of the world, but also empowering me and giving me a lot of great tools and a language to talk about these problems articulately with other people.
Currently, I want to say the classes that I'm taking, they're just helping me find my voice in an academic standpoint.
Ethnic studies is rooted in community, in people, in lived experiences.
I feel like being in ethnic studies and in the department and around the folks, I feel like a sense of home, right? Like belonging, that sort of thing. And I feel like I have learned and grown hugely just as a woman and as a human being, just the things that I've seen and learned and the people I've met there. And I've never quite felt such a sense of belonging like I do with the professors and the other students in the department.
Ethnic studies classes are actually my favorite to go to, just because I'm actually learning things every time that I go, and my professors know what they're talking about. Like, you ask a question and they know the answer, or they prompt you to come to your own answer. So it's just I feel like I'm in a class where people know what they're doing and they know what they're talking about.
Anytime I have a question, I always know that I can go to my professor and have a conversation, whether it be a 5-minute conversation or a 2-hour conversation, or I can get in touch with them through email. They're always willing to help, and they really are understanding when things are going on in your life.
The professors actually care about their students. They're there to help them succeed. They're looking to push them. They're always there to motivate them. They're not there just to be professors and answer a question and walk away. They're looking to build a bond. They're looking to make you push and strive for success. And they're looking to build a connection, make you feel welcome, make you feel like a family, united.
By the end of the semester, we were all friends. We all knew something about each other, and it really just helped build a sense of community.
If you're looking for professors that are going to push you and succeed and going to care about you, ethnic studies is a great opportunity. But not just in that, they also give you multiple opportunities in eventually finding a job in which you want to go with ethnic studies, and open doors and opportunities that you never knew that exist.
I think it's so important for especially ethnic studies students to be practicing what they're learning in the classroom and outside of the classroom. I think that was invaluable, and I think that is really what led me to the job that I have today.
Well, I'm already working as a substitute advocate, and I think that me coming in with an understanding of the racial and class differences and how that affects people gives me the ability to work with them closer and to, I think, understand them a little bit better.
I work in an office on campus, and it's the Student Leadership Involvement and Community Engagement Office, kind of bringing up that ethnic studies of who's this minoritized group and who's this majority group, and how do we help the people who are asking for help, and how do we kind of take that into consideration when we're having projects.
There's a bigger exposure to ethnic studies than I think that there used to be. For my particular job, I think it was definitely a huge piece of why I even got an interview.
My ethnic studies education has made me a really attractive job candidate. I mean, diversity is the big buzzword in nonprofit work right now, and instead of just using it as a buzzword, I'm able to say I have education and experience in talking about these issues very clearly.
Ethnic studies has definitely equipped me with the knowledge and the skill set and the confidence to enter a professional setting, knowing that I'm going to be able to succeed and make a difference.
I feel like if a student comes that doesn't really have a home or a place to go, that's the place to find it. Everybody is very welcoming and wants you to succeed, but there's that human element that really makes you relatable and able to find your niche.